You're welcome back to FinTech Space. So we are actually still on our Excel series. And in this video, what I will take you through as beginners is how to enter and edit data, how you can actually enter and edit your data. Once you've actually understand the layout of Excel, so the next thing and the next step is that you learn how to put your information into the grids. So you have this, you select all of this. All of you can see they are grids, they are lines that are actually crossing each other. So those are grids. And each of these is a cell. Do you get that? And you need to actually get to know how you can work around this. So now I will be taking you through how you can type into these cells. How do I arrive at all of these that you are seeing on my screen? Yes, I typed it in by myself. So just click on where you want to type in the details that you want to type in. So now I want to type in my details here. So I want to type in 1. So once you type in, you've already selected the cell that you want to type it in. That's the first step. So once you do that, type in what you want. So I've already typed 1 there. So now what you get to do, you can either click on enter. If you look on your keyboard, you are going to see enter. So click on enter. So you can see it's already moved to the next cell. You get. So another option is also once you type ON in 1, all right, now I want to type 2 again. So now you can also click on the tab button on your keyboard. So you also take it through to the next column. So if you click on enter, it goes to the next cell, which is the next row. But if you click on tab, it takes you to the next column. You get. So you have your what? This is your column, and then this is your row. Row is horizontal and then column is vertical. Do not forget, row is horizontal, then column is vertical. Do you get that? So that actually solves that. Do you get that? So you can type in anything you want. So I'm typing 3, typing 4, typing 5. Do you get that? So it's just as straightforward, just like that. Do you get it? So now that I've typed in all of this that you can see on my screen right now, so how do I edit this cell content, what I have typed? How do I edit them? So if you make a mistake, you actually have some ways in which you can fix it. You can either overwrite the mistakes that you've made, or you can partially edit the mistakes that you've made. Do you get that? So now, all right, let's assume here I typed in 7 instead of 6. So now I have 7 here. So what am I going to do to get 6 to be there? So you can just click on that 7 that you have and type 6 directly. So you've overwrite the 7 that is there. Do you get what I mean now? You've overwrite the 7 that was there initially. Or you either click on this and then you come to this formula bar at the top here, just as you can see on my screen here, and then come and edit it. So you can just edit backspace and then type in 6 and click on enter or your tab button on your keyboard. Do you get that? So it's just so straightforward like that. So that is the way in which you can actually edit a cell content. I hope you're following this video. So it's either you overwrite or you partially edit what you've typed. So now let me just type in, you want to type in understanding, but you made some mistakes and you feel like, oh, all this spelling is actually wrong, and you feel like, okay, I want to now type in very correctly. So you can just click on it and start typing the correct, and then you are done. Or better still, if you don't want to override what you have there, you can just click on that cell and now come to the formula bar here, just as you have me here. So then just edit what you have here, and then just come here and type in that, and then you can then click on enter or your tab, and then you're done. So that actually solves it all. Do you get that? So that solves it all. So the next one I'll be talking about in this video is actually talking about the autofill. Your autofill is actually a huge time saver. It helps you to save a lot of time. So imagine that I have all of these states in Nigeria that I've listed here, and you want to actually put in numbers so that you can easily get to say or navigate which number you're actually talking about. So now I want to put 1 here, I put 2 here, I put 3 here. So imagine that you're actually going to 37. Why do you have to be typing 4, 5 when you can easily just have all of these numbers done for you in a twinkle of an eye? Do you get that? So now you can decide that, okay, you can just select the first 2. So click on 1 and then drag it to 2. Do you get that? Or you can click on 1, then you click on shift on your keyboard and then click on 2. It's either ways you want to do that. So now just come to where you have this button where you can see my cursor turning into black cross together. So just double click it, so it actually comes to 5. Double click again, so you can see now it has the numbering has been done correctly. So now I have from 1 to 37. So I'm going to clear it again now to do it all over again. So now if I click just 1 and I want it to number, if I do what I did the other time, it's just going to repeat the 1 straight. Do you get that? But that is not what I actually want to do in this case. So I want it to be numbered correctly. So I've already typed 1, so now I want to type in 2. So now I have the both of them, so just drag on 1 and 2 and make sure that both of them are selected. Now come to this corner, this right bottom of the cell that you selected. Once you put your cursor there, it will change to a black cross, and then double click it. So you can see it automatically auto-fills that column for you. So, and that saves you that time and saves you that stress. Do you get that? So another thing you can also do about your autofill is that you can just use it to fill in some details that is very regular and common all across board. So now I have typed in Monday, I typed in Tuesday, and I selected both of them. So, and I want it to complete. So it's something that is known globally all over the world, Monday to Sunday. Do you get that? So if you drag it down, it will actually bring it for you Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Just the same way if you type in the months of the year, January, and you type in February also. So instead of you typing till December, why don't you just type in the first 2 months and then come here, then you come here to drag this till you have your December and you're done. Consider the time for you to do this in maybe just 2 seconds to 2 minutes that you have to be typing all of these details. Do you get that? So I will actually end this video here. This is to actually give you the basics that you need. If you definitely understand these basics, assuring you that you would get a long way to go, and you're starting on a good note with Excel. Alright guys, this is FinTech Space with Team Biz. Until next time, catch you in the next video.